Subtitle number 1, Face of Orange. Sponsored by Miss Romney Lepame, ex-MGC. The winner of this subtitle is contestant number 18, Guy Jaglu Gamai.
Cardinal told you, what is the sky blue or yellow? This fellow ain't that mellow if it ain't about you. Hourglass shape make the place go. Waistline makes my salute. I'm a brute. High from your high heel game. High heels push up your last name. And you're living in the fast lane, eyes like an angel. Goddess. Watch my yelling, I shit I dress spotless. That's bad to the bone, make me wanna bowl. Put me in the triple X zone. Lames don't know how to talk to you, so let me walk with you. Hold my hand, I'ma spend them grands, but after you undress, not like a hooker, but more like a princess, queen, empress, president.